Today we are cooking some authentic Jamaican curry chicken. Here we have our chicken cut up. We don't have any scotch bonnet pepper, so we just use pepper sauce, as you can see on it. Here we have some onions, some scallions, and some thyme. We have our golden curry. We have our curry powder. We have our garlic powder. We have our Chinese sauce. We have our seasoning salt, all-purpose seasoning salt. We have our salt right here, and right here is our garlic, our chopped garlic. Okay, so we're gonna add all of those ingredients and show you our finishing. Now we put all the seasoning on the chicken, so we got just going to rub it in. So all the seasoning go right through the chicken. Okay, so we're gonna do that now.